Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor, and today we are going to do an unboxing and review with a microphone test of the Blackwire 3320 wired USB headset. I know that's a mouthful, but let's dive in right now to see what this headset is all about. Okay, so let's dive in here, see what's inside. All right. Got a nice box. This is a entry-level headset, so you're not going to have a lot of those premium features and extra nice packaging like we did on the Blackwire 8225, which is the high-end version of this headset, and you can check out that video here. But it does come in a plastic bag. They're making this headset as economical as possible. So this is a binaural headset, and with any of the Poly headsets, they come in either USB-A version, USB-C. They also come in a Microsoft Teams optimized version. So there's like 4 different models just for the dual headband version. They also have the single one speaker version. So there's a lot of different variants. If you have any questions, definitely give us a call or check out our website for live chat, and we'll be happy to get you connected with the right product for your needs. But this model is the USB-A version and the non-Microsoft version. Actually, this is the Teams version, and you can tell simply by, if you can see that, there's the Microsoft Teams button. So basically that just means you don't need to download any software to work with your Microsoft Teams software right out of the box, which some companies don't allow you to download any software. So let's put this box aside. And the design of the headset is really nice. It does come with foam ear cushions, which definitely is a sign of a lower grade headset, but the cushions do feel really soft and squishy. Let's put it on and test it out. Yeah, it feels lightweight and it feels comfortable. It has a noise canceling microphone boom. I like how the ear cushions twist all the way around like that. That's nice, so you can lay it flat on the desk. It has a leather headband right here, so I like that. That's keeps it very comfortable. And I've noticed that the design of this headset is kind of similar amongst other models, other Blackwire models, or even the wireless models have this similar design, so they're kind of matching everything, which is nice and helpful. Being that this is an entry-level headset, this definitely feels like it's well made. It feels durable. It has the call control button, as I mentioned, for your Microsoft Teams or other software that's optimized. You have your volume plus and minus, and you have your mute button, and then of course you have your USB-C plug right here. Cable's about 7 feet long. Overall, I'd say this has a nice, good design, professional design, very comfortable. It's very lightweight, so that's always nice for all-day comfort. And it has that, what appears to be a nice professional noise-canceling microphone that's going to keep your voice loud and clear for callers to hear you clearly. But what we're going to do is we're going to test this. So we're going to pause the video, plug this headset into the computer, and then switch my voice to going through the headset so you can hear how well this microphone sounds, what callers can expect your voice to hear like, as well as noise canceling, because I'm going to play some music and you can see how well this cancels out background noise. So let's switch to that right now. Okay, now we have the Blackwire 3320 plugged into the computer via USB, and now my voice is coming through the microphone on this headset. You can hear when I tap on it there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play some music so that you can hear how well the microphone does at removing background noise. You always want a microphone that eliminates background noise so that callers can focus on your voice and not what's going on around you, as that can be distracting for them and make it hard to communicate, which you never want. You just want a crystal clear conversation and them hearing your voice only. So let's play that music now so that you can hear it. So this is, we're in a relatively small room, and it's maxed out on my iPhone here. And what you can notice is that you don't really hear much of that background noise, even though it's very, very loud, which is what you want. And this is a bit dramatic of a example, but it's just for demonstration purposes. Let me go ahead and pause that so you can hear it without the music. What I've noticed is that the sound quality on this microphone is actually really good, especially being an entry-level headset. It produces, Poly always makes a good microphone, especially for the price point. But there it is, so you can hear how other people will hear your voice through this headset. And we're going to switch it back so that we can wrap up this video. Okay, so there you have it. That is how your callers are going to be hearing your voice. Of course, with any Poly headset, you're going to have that professional sound quality, which you want when you're working from home or just working in general. You want a good quality microphone. If you want to cancel out even more noise canceling, check out this review that we did of an app that will eliminate most of the background noise. That'll eliminate, dogs barking, if you got kids in the background, or just, your neighbors mowing their lawn. It'll eliminate all that noise so that you don't hear it and also your callers don't hear it. So check out that video there. We'll also put a link in the description below. Overall, I would say that this headset is one to consider because this has a budget price point. So you're going to be in the $40 to $50 price range, depending upon which model that you get. You're going to have that professional quality microphone. You get dual speakers, and you will also get a feature called Sound Guard. So the headset protects against any loud piercing noise that could potentially cause harm to your ears and hearing. So it does have that protection, which is always nice. You'll have, this always connects to a computer for your business communication, such as Microsoft Teams, your Zoom calls, Ring Central. It'll be optimized, so that means that you can press a button on this controller to answer and end your calls, which saves you from having to navigate your mouse to answer and end the calls. So there's that, and also you have your volume controls, so you can increase or decrease the volume of what you hear in the headset, and of course you have your mute functionality. This headset is definitely worth considering, and it is available on our website. You can check it out in the description below. We even offer a month-to-month rental plan, so it's only for a few bucks a month. You can get a nice high-quality headset worth checking out. Please don't forget to like this video if you want to see more reviews and microphone tests. Also, leave a comment in the description below. We do read all the comments and reply to all of them. And if you have any requests of any headsets that you want to see us do a video review of to show you what they're all about, leave it in the comments below, because we will make that content for you. That's all for now. And also, before I go, we're actually giving this headset along with all the other headsets we do reviews of. We give them away for free, so join. If you want a chance to win, go to headsetadvisor.com/giveaway. That's headsetadvisor.com/giveaway. We'll put a link in the description below as well to make it nice and easy for you. But that is truly all for now, and we will see you next time.